So today we're going to be showing you how to make popcorn chicken with these foraged chicken of the woods mushrooms. I will add some more information to the post so you can see how to forage them and the safest way to forage them, and also when they're available. So just start by washing them all really thoroughly, making sure there's no mud left on them, and then just chop them into bite-sized pieces, and you can chop some of the outsides off as well. And then just fry them in a few tablespoons of oil and add a tablespoon of fresh thyme. Then you're going to want to measure out 100 grams of plain flour. You want 40 grams in one bowl and 60 grams in another. And then add your spices, which I will list below. 100 millilitres of soy milk and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast need to be added to the 40 grams of flour and mixed into a smooth batter. Heat 2 inches of oil in a pan and then dip your mushroom into the wet batter first and then into the dry batter, straight into the oil, and fry for a few minutes on each side. And then you'll have a lovely crispy popcorn chicken. We hope you enjoy it. Please let us know if you try this at home. It's really delicious.